still about 26. Hips are a little over 36. Thighs are just a little over 20. Little kitty. No, mama. Weight is 129.6. Okay, so I'm still around the same. I did go jogging yesterday and I'm about to go again, so I'm starting my jogging again. So hopefully that'll make my momentum speed up again like it was doing. I've been plateauing around the same measurements for a while. So, but just staying patient. Got to keep that patience. And I'm feeling good. But like I said, I feel the best now that I felt in a long time. Just eating raw. And one thing I wanted to mention in this video was feeling guilty about eating plants. I know you hear people who antagonize vegetarians and vegans, they're always bringing up that old joke about how vegans and vegetarians are killing plants and killing vegetables and fruit. No, mama. Me. Vegans and vegetarians are killing vegetables and plants. You know, oh, save the plants, blah, blah, blah. Okay, obviously there's a difference between an animal and an inanimate object that has no heart, no vocal cords, no eyeballs. They're animals and they're plants. Obviously, there are a lot of similarities, but very important differences as well. I can eat this fruit. Do you hear any screaming or crying or shrieking? Do you see any blood dripping off this peach? I don't see any blood. I see a lot of juice. I don't hear any screaming or crying. Seems fine to me. So obviously that's ridiculous. But after I went vegan, you know, and I think a lot of vegans and vegetarians, this crosses their mind. They think, well, I do feel kind of guilty eating a fruit. You know, here a fruit is sitting on a tree all happy and just living its fruit life, so to speak. And you pick it off and eat it, and then it's no longer a happy little pretty fruit anymore. Okay, fine. However, we are forgetting that picking fruit off a tree actually helps the tree to grow and flourish. Pruning a tree, pruning a plant will help the tree to grow and flourish. So when you chop off parts of a plant, it helps the plant to grow and become stronger. Okay? If I were to chop off her head, or chop off her arm or her tail and eat it, it would not be a good scene. She would not flourish. She would not become stronger. She does not grow another tail or head. That's another thing. If you pick a fruit off, more fruit will grow in its place. Picking fruit off a tree actually helps the tree produce more fruit. It gets the metabolism of the tree going, so to speak. Think of pruning and harvesting fruit, and harvesting fruit and leaves off a plant as exercise for the plant. It helps the plant stay healthy and get in shape and get stronger. So there's a huge difference between killing, you're not even killing it actually. Picking fruit off a tree does not kill the tree at all. Okay, maybe you're killing the fruit, but fruit was meant to be eaten. That's why when you pick one fruit, more grows in its place. It's not sad to eat fruit. You can take your children to harvest apples off a tree. I would, if I had children, I would not want to take them to a slaughterhouse. That's disgusting. So there's a huge difference. So don't feel like you're killing plants. First of all, you're not killing them. And people say, well, you have to kill a carrot plant to eat it. No, you don't. You can chop the top off a carrot. I've done it before. Plant the top of the carrot, and the carrot top will regrow into a new plant. So no, you don't have to kill any plants to eat them. So there's no reason to have any harvesting guilt, as I would call it. Because again, picking fruit off a tree, harvesting leaves, and pruning a tree, a plant, helps a plant flourish. The same cannot be said for an animal. So when someone says that to you, that's what you can say. Picking fruit off a tree helps a plant to grow. Cutting the head off a cat or a cow or whatever does not help the cow to flourish. So that's one big difference. Mama and animals don't listen to you. Come here. No, Nini. No, Nini. They're animals and they're plants. Okay? Animals are fluffy and sweet and lots of fun, and we don't want to kill them. Animals are entertaining, we enjoy watching them. And it's just sad to kill animals. It's very sad. And that includes fishing. I'm not gonna go off on a tangent about fishing. So see, I'm eating the heck out of this peach, and the peach does not seem to be complaining at all. No blood, just juice. Perfectly fine. A-okay. No evil. No evil or harm done in eating plants or plants.